Hey guys, I'm just here at 11 Copper Crescent in Caloundra West. I'm going to take you through for a walkthrough of this great property. It's a 4-bedroom. We've just put it on the market, 350 square metres. So just firstly, we'll have a look at this street. Super quiet street, beautiful residential street in Caloundra West. So as you come through, big double garage, really nice front, all beautifully fake grass through here. So artificial turf, really nice little gardens. The brickwork and construction of this property is exceptional. So we come into the entrance. The first thing you'll see is that we can go straight ahead to the kitchen and the lounge. There's another media room down there as well, or we can turn right and we'll go into the master bedroom. So we'll just go into the master bedroom now, have a bit of a look at that. So really nice carpet, high ceilings, lots of natural light coming in here. So this is your bathroom here. This is your ensuite. Okay, so it's really clean. So this is super neat as a pin, this property. And then we've also got a robe. So we've got a walk-in robe here. As we come through here, we've got the kitchen. So we'll just go through and have a look at that. So you've got the beautiful stone bench tops here. Beautiful stone bench tops. We've got the laundry. Yeah, and then the laundry goes out to this side area. So as you come out, you've got this side area for your bins. So then as you come out the laundry, you can see that it's got this really cute gate here. It comes out the front. That's where you can put your bins. And then if I turn around here, you can see that this is the backyard. I'll show you that in a sec. As we come back through the laundry, so you've got this great size linen. Again, lots and lots of storage in the kitchen. Stone bench tops. Really great view and lots of light, right? So this is the looking outside to that great patio area into the backyard, and I'll show you that in a sec. As we come through here, what you've now got is you've got this great dining area. You've got a really nice outdoor alfresco patio way. You've got your living area at the end, and then you've got another media room here, which I'll show you, but we'll go into the garage first. So really big double garage, painted floors. You'll see there's 2 large cars in here. There's lots of space at the side as well, and an enormous amount of space still at the back of the garage. And then you've got this really cute little outdoor area here as well that's got a window into the 4th bedroom as well as a sliding door into the media room. But if you look out here, you'll see that the brickwork and the fascias, everything here is just meticulously maintained. The owner has been fastidious in the way that he's maintained the property, and it's just a beautiful property. So now we've got the outdoor area. This is our dining area. You'll see fans and downlights all the way through. Lots of natural light coming because this actual direction is north. So if I turn around here, you'll see this is the media room. So this is just a temporary fitting here, but quite a large media room here. And then we've got the living area here, dining area here, outdoor area here and kitchen. So I'll just go through now and I'll show you at the back. So remember, we have a master bedroom at the front with an ensuite. So as we come through here, we will see that there's a separate toilet. So you'll see, again, things like the detail on the doors. Property's just been built really well. So again, high ceilings, separate toilet here, a really big bathroom. So there's a lot of space in this bathroom. Shower, bath, vanity. And then as I come through into this room, this is the 2nd bedroom. So 2nd bedroom, fan, robe, built-in robe, and again, a lot of natural light. That's north facing there, so you've got a lot of natural light coming in there all day. This is your 3rd bedroom, same size as your 2nd. Quite a nicely sized bedroom with a built-in robe. Again, a window that goes out, the blinds down, but if that was up, a lot of natural light coming into this room. And then this is the 4th bedroom here. This bedroom's a little bit smaller, probably a 3/4 sized room, easily for a single bed. You'd probably fit a double in here, but awesome bunks, or it could be a study. So now that we've looked at those 4 rooms, what we'll do is we'll now go out to the outdoor area. This is your outdoor area. Really high ceilings again. This is the walkway that goes out to where the bins are and the gate that goes out to the concrete path at the front. And then this goes out to this really cute little backyard. So, and one of the things you'll notice about the property, the brickwork is fantastic. The detail of the property, the way that it's been built is excellent. This is all artificial turf, so very low maintenance. So as we go out the back here, you've got this beautiful garden that's been meticulously maintained, perfect for a green thumb, with a really cute little outdoor undercover area. All artificial turf, meticulously maintained, very low maintenance, all in great condition. All I can smell are flowers. It's just gorgeous. Big water tank, again, all really well drained. Big water tank. The owner of this house now is a builder, so he's done all of this himself and just made sure that it was in immaculate condition. Got your plumbed rainwater. You've got a little garden shed here that's maybe 3/4 of a metre by probably 2.5 metres. Big water tank, obviously hot water here. But this back area is just gorgeous. So this is 11 Copper Crescent in Caloundra West. It's on 350 square metre block. It's a 4-bedroom house, 2-bathroom, 2-car park. It has just hit the market. We're doing inspections, so if you want to have a look through, I look forward to seeing you soon. Okay, bye.